Read it yourself. Aladdin. Once there was a poor boy called Aladdin. He lived in the city of Agrabah. Aladdin dreamed of a better life. The Sultan of Agrabah had a beautiful daughter called Jasmine. The Sultan told Jasmine that she must marry a prince. But Jasmine didn't want to get married. She ran off into the market. There she met Aladdin, but the palace guards took Aladdin to Jafar. Jafar was the Sultan's advisor. He took Aladdin to a cave. Inside the cave, Aladdin found a magic carpet and an old lamp. He picked up the lamp and rubbed it. A genie appeared. He gave Aladdin 3 wishes. "I wish to be a prince," said Aladdin. Aladdin took Jasmine for a ride on the magic carpet. But Jafar threw him into the sea. The genie saved him. Jafar wanted to marry Jasmine. He stole Aladdin's magic lamp. Jafar rubbed the lamp and the genie appeared. "I wish to be a sorcerer," said Jafar. Jafar turned himself into a snake and fought Aladdin. "Now I wish to be a genie," said Jafar. Jafar was trapped forever. Like all genies, he became a prisoner in a lamp. Jasmine told the Sultan that she wanted to marry Aladdin. With his last wish, Aladdin set the genie free. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.